a channel where we learn trading step by step without hype and without shortcuts. If you are new here, this is part of a structured trading course for complete beginners. Now, let me ask you a simple question. When you see Euro USD on a chart, what does that actually mean? Most beginners trade Forex without understanding what they are even buying or selling. Today, I'll explain exactly what Forex is, how currency pairs work, and how price actually moves in a way that finally makes sense. In episode 1, we understood what trading is. In episode 2, we understood how financial markets work. Now, in episode 3, we are focusing on the most popular market for retail traders, Forex. What is Forex? Forex simply means foreign exchange. It is a market where currencies are exchanged. For example, when you travel and exchange dollars into euros, you are participating in the Forex market. Forex is the largest financial market in the world. It runs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Trillions of dollars are exchanged every single day. Why do currencies move? Currencies move because of supply and demand. If more people want a currency, its value increases. If more people sell a currency, its value decreases, just like any other market. What is a currency pair? In Forex, you never buy a single currency. You always trade currency pairs. That means you are buying one currency while selling another at the same time. Example, Euro USD. Let's take that Euro USD as an example. Euro is the base currency, USD is the code currency. If price goes up, it means the euro is getting stronger and the dollar is getting weaker. If price goes down, it means the dollar is getting stronger and the euro is getting weaker. The simplest way to understand currency pair is this. You are comparing two currencies against each other. Which one is stronger? Which one is weaker? That's all a currency pair really represents. Why forex prices move? Forex prices move because banks, institutions, traders, and businesses are constantly exchanging currencies. Economic data, interest rates, global news, and expectations all influence currency strength. Forex attracts beginners because it is easy to access. You can start with small amounts, you can trade from anywhere, and the market is open almost all the time. The danger most beginners face, the problem is that many beginners jump into Forex without understanding what they are trading. They click buy and sell without understanding currency pairs, market structure, or risk. That is why education must always come first. what you should focus on first. So, right now, your focus should not be on strategies. Your focus should be on understanding how currency pairs work, how prices move, and how risk works. Strong foundation always come before profits. Quick question for you. Before this video, did you already understand what a currency pair really means? Or is this your first time understanding it clearly? Comment below first time or understood before. I read every comment. Well, in the next episode, we'll go one step deeper. I'll explain what pips, lots, and spreads are. Three things every trader must understand before placing real trades. If this episode helped you finally understand Forex and currency pairs, then the next lesson will be even more important for you. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you in the next lesson.